Welcome to the PC Error Detective. Today, we are diving into how to delete files from OneDrive step by step. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, navigate to your taskbar and click on the File Explorer icon. This will open up the File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Next, go to your OneDrive folder. You can find it in the left sidebar or by searching for it in the File Explorer. Once you're in your OneDrive folder, browse through and select the files or folders that you no longer need. To select multiple items, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each file or folder. After you've made your selections, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. A prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to delete these items. Confirm the action, and the selected files will be moved to the recycle bin. Remember, deleting files from OneDrive will remove them across all devices synced with your account. If you are certain you won't need these files again, you can empty the recycle bin to permanently delete them. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.